There's no pain that is worse than the pain of losing a child.
I thought having the vaccines would protect our children. Unfortunately, it did not, because other kids, other adults need to be vaccinated as well in order for it to work.
His brain was swelling and there was nothing that they could do. Liam, having asthma and severe allergies, is more prone to infecting diseases. Personally, it scares the crap out of me because I do have 2 other children, and my youngest does follow in Liam's footsteps. She has asthma and she has the allergies as well.
And that was at the lake house.
It scares me to think that this can get worse and the rates just continue to drop.
There's been really an incredible decline in rates of vaccination. Not every vaccine is 100% effective, so we talk about a concept called herd immunity, where when you vaccinate your child, you're actually protecting somebody else's child. We're in the midst of a really growing trend of anti-expert, anti-science. The MAHA movement, certainly the anti-vaccine movements, these are not random movements. These are very purposeful, very well-organized movements that have an influence both on the public and also on the legislative level.
People we know, they keep telling me I need to petition and create Liam's law. And I don't know what steps to take for that, but I'm hoping this petition would be a start. The end goal is to only have medical exemptions allowed for public schools.
The Patient Bill of Rights, VSB 1277, isn't about rejecting medicine. It's about equality and autonomy. It ensures doctors and hospitals cannot discriminate against us, forcing families into impossible choices between care and conscience. Florida's health freedom community, represented by MAHA, stands united behind this amendment. It's a chance to lead nationally.
This is my 16th year in the legislature, and I've always been in the minority party, so I've always had a lot of uphill battle fights. We've had a lot of bills in Florida that are geared at allowing exemptions for vaccines. We are now down to 89% of the school children who are vaccinated, and in order to have herd immunity, you need 95%. I do worry because we see a lot of things that start in Florida and then go nationwide. So it is a real concern what we are doing here and how it will impact the whole country.
I'm afraid for the fact that diseases that left children neurologically impaired, diseases that put children in the hospital, diseases that kept children out of school are going to flare up again. In this call of personal freedom, we have to recognize that one person's personal freedom will actually trample on the rights and liberty of others.
I think it's starting to hit them a little bit more as time passes and the shock is kind of wearing off. They tend to talk about him a lot more. I channeled my anger into purpose. I want to make a difference. I want to reach those parents who are on the fence post about vaccinations. Okay. He was a big part of our lives. He touched so many lives, more lives than I ever even knew. It makes my heart happy knowing that he had made such a big impact on people's lives.